In the previous lecture, we learned about what exactly MCP is. It's a one standard interface that works across many AI clients and many enterprise systems. It's a model context protocol. It's an open standard that allows AI assistants to securely discover and invoke external tools and services through a common protocol, eliminating the need for separate custom integrations for each AI platform. In this lecture, we will learn the practical demonstration of MCP and what exactly Discovery Proxy is. In order to get started, we are taking a very simple case study of banking system. So here we will create two proxies. One is customer v1 where we are giving the target URL as mentioned below. And then the second proxy we will create is account v1. Let's start. Here we are using most common template, which is a reverse proxy, and then we will deploy it on the test environment. This environment gets created during the provisioning of the Apigee. Once this gets deployed, we will create another proxy, which is an account v1, and again we will deploy it on test environment. Now the two proxies are created. Next, we will edit the proxy endpoint slash default.xml file and configure the request flow by creating separate flows for the get and the post operations. This allows Apigee to route and process each HTTP method independently, making it easier to apply method specific policies and business logic. For now, and for the sake of simplicity, I'm avoiding adding any policies here. Now navigate to the API section. As you can see, the customer v1 proxy is now visible, which means our API proxy has been created successfully and is ready for configuration or deployment. The similar steps we will do for account v1 proxy as well. Now let's create an MCP Discovery Proxy. An MCP Discovery Proxy acts as the bridge between AI clients such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini and your existing APIs. It exposes your APIs as MCP-compatible tools, allowing AI applications to automatically discover available capabilities and invoke them using the standard Model Context Protocol (MCP). To create it, click Create Proxy and select the MCP Discovery Proxy template. This template automatically generates the required discovery endpoints and configurations, making your existing API proxies accessible to any MCP compatible AI client without building a custom MCP server. Before proceeding, make sure you have added the OpenAPI specification, the spec file for the API proxy you created. The MCP Discovery Proxy uses this specification to discover your API operations and automatically expose them as MCP compatible tools. Without a valid spec file, the Discovery Proxy won't be able to generate the available tools correctly. And make sure the host name which you provide in the spec file is also correct. Now it's time to test the MCP Discovery Proxy. Use the following curl command to invoke the MCP Discovery endpoint. If the request is successful, the proxy will return a list of all the tools it has discovered from your OpenAPI specification. This is a final verification step confirming that the MCP Discovery Proxy has correctly passed your API specification and exposed each API operation as an MCP compatible tool. In the response, you will see a tool section containing the available operations. For example, get customers, get customer by ID, etc. If these tools appear in the response, your MCP discovery proxy has been configured successfully and is now ready to be consumed by any MCP compatible AI client such as ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Cursor.